It's the creepy father of the Bucket Boys. Back with another video. What?
No.
All right, what are we doing? I am.
Hey y'all, it's the Bucket Boys back with another.
Don't do that.
Back with a chubby video.
As you can see,
Listen, here's the key. The key to making YouTube sensational videos is not to try to act like someone else. It's to try to act like yourself.
okay, ready?
I'm already ready. We've been rolling.
And it's the Bucket Boys, and right
Good. Million hits waiting to happen.
now, hey y'all, it's the Bucket Boys, and right now we are going to ask our dad if we can get a dog. We're super scared because he'll probably say no.
It's a no. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
What kind of dog do you want?
Maybe I don't know, like a basset hound.
Name
Long-
Gus.
With the long ears. Hey, I want
We're making fake content. So, what do you want his name to be, perhaps?
Maybe Joe? Jerry.
Jerry the Basset Hound. All right, your cousin had an idea. What do you want his name? Oh. What do you think about Gus?
Fredo, sounds cute.
Gus?
And thank you, Chewy.com, for sponsoring
How about
us.
you, Carson?
What's his power?
Wow. Abe? I can't see you in this. Abe, do you want a Basset Hound named Gus? Look at here. Look here, boy. Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abe,
I do!
what do you want?
I want a picture.
I don't understand.
He just wants a picture.
And thank you, Chewy.com, for sponsoring us to make this video. Go check them out in the link in the description down below.
This video is a lie from start to finish.